If you're considering buying with Adventures Vallarta, there are some essential things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether this is the right choice for your needs. Unlike other similar services in the market, Adventures Vallarta offers unique features that can make your experience stand out. I've personally explored what it has to offer, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything you should consider before purchasing. First off, the customer support experience at Adventures Vallarta is something you'll want to pay attention to. While other services may leave you hanging with long wait times or automated responses, Adventures Vallarta prides itself on offering personalized support. If you have any questions or need help, their team is quick to respond and ensures that you're not just another number in the queue. This is a huge plus for anyone looking to book trips with minimal hassle. Next thing to consider is the range of activities and experiences they offer. Unlike many competitors who only provide basic tours or excursions, Adventures Vallarta stands out with its variety. From adrenaline-pumping zipline tours to tranquil beach experiences, they cover all the bases for any kind of traveler. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, their list of experiences is sure to keep you entertained, and they continuously update it, so there's always something new. The third thing you need to know is the pricing structure. At first glance, Adventures Vallarta may seem a bit higher than other tour companies, but the value you get is undeniable. The level of detail and the quality of the experiences they offer really justifies the price. You're not just getting a run-of-the-mill tour. You're getting an expertly curated, top-tier experience. If you value exceptional experiences over basic ones, the slightly higher cost is worth every penny. Now, the fourth thing. Safety is a priority for Adventures Vallarta. In comparison to some of their competitors, who may cut corners on equipment or guides, they are committed to providing top-notch safety protocols. Whether you're going on a boat tour or exploring the jungle, you can feel secure knowing that their team prioritizes your well-being. This commitment to safety makes a big difference for travelers who want peace of mind during their adventures. Next up, let's talk about flexibility. One of the standout features of Adventures Vallarta is their ability to customize your experience. This is crucial because many other services offer fixed packages, with little room for alteration. But with Adventures Vallarta, you have the freedom to choose your activities, departure times, and even the group size. Whether you're traveling solo or with a large group, their tailored experiences ensure that you get exactly what you want out of your trip. Another key point is the booking process. It's smooth, user-friendly, and straightforward, especially compared to some competitors where the booking system can be a hassle. Adventures Vallarta's website is easy to navigate, and you can book your experience with just a few clicks. Additionally, they provide transparent information about what's included in each package, so there's no confusion or hidden fees along the way. Finally, it's important to mention the overall experience you'll have. What really sets Adventures Vallarta apart is the attention to detail. Unlike some other companies that may rush you through a tour or skimp on the small things, they focus on creating a memorable experience from start to finish. From the moment you book to the last moment of your trip, you'll feel taken care of and fully immersed in the adventure. If you're looking for the best offer for Adventures Vallarta, I've got a deal for you. You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This will not only give you access to the service, but also some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So if you're ready to dive into a truly unique adventure, click that first link in the description, try Adventures Vallarta for yourself, and experience the difference firsthand. You won't regret it.